Hello students, this is class 7th, first chapter integers, and now we are starting exercise 1.3. Before starting this exercise, first you have to understand the product of signs. Sign. Let us see. Plus into minus. Plus minus is minus. Got it? Minus minus is plus, and plus plus is plus, right? When you multiply any positive value and negative value, what you will get? Negative, right? So plus minus is minus. You have to learn it. Then minus minus is plus, and plus plus is plus. Done? Though we have done this in class 6, in class 5th also, but again you have to remember this. Now let us see the question number 1. The first question is, find each of the following product. See the A part. 3 into minus 1. What is it? 3 1 ja 3. So 3 into 1 is 3, and plus minus is minus. So it is minus 3, right? See G part. 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. So first you have to multiply these number. 9 into 3 into 6. 6 into 3 is what? 18, and 18 into 9, it is what? 144. Now it is plus, it is minus, so plus minus is minus, then minus minus is plus, so ultimately it is what? Plus. So plus 144. Simply you have to multiply. Got it? And you have to check the sign also. So you have to see the sign and multiply. This is your question number 1. Got it? Let us see one more example. J part. 3 minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. So first let us check the sign. It is minus, it is minus. So minus minus is plus. Got it? Then it is minus, it is also minus. Minus minus is plus. So it is plus, it is plus. Then ultimately it will be what? Plus. Got it? And multiply these values. You will get the answer. कर लेंगे? Okay. Now let us see question number 2. Verify the following. Just note down this. Let us see in copy. See, the A part is 18 into, in bracket it is 7 plus, it is minus 3. Then bracket close, equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. Actually it is distributive property. We have to verify it whether it is correct or incorrect, right? So let us see, this is what? Left hand side, and this is what? Right hand side. So first let us take left hand side, LHS. It is 18 multiply bracket 7 plus it is minus 3 bracket close. Now let us solve it. 18 multiply it 7 plus minus is what? Minus. So 7 minus 3 bracket small bracket. Let us open this. 18 into 7 minus 3 is what? 4, and 18 into 4 is what? 72. This is the value of left hand side. Now let us see right hand side. It is 18 multiply 7 plus 18 multiply minus 3, right? Now 18 into 7, 126, and plus it is what? 18 into 3. 18 into 3 is 54, minus 54. So you have to use bracket minus 54. Now open this bracket. It is 126 plus minus is what? Minus 54, and 126 minus 54 is what? 72. Now see, left hand side it is 72, and right hand side it is what? 72. both are equal, then you have to write therefore LHS, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Got it? Hence verified कि ये दोनों इक्वल हैं, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड राइट हैंड साइड दोनों इक्वल हैं, hence it is verified. So in this way you have to do this question. Got it? Now let us see the B part. Minus 21 into, in bracket it is minus 4 plus into minus 6 bracket close equal to, this one is given. Now note down this B part and have a look. Let us see, it is minus 21 into, in bracket it is minus 4 plus, in bracket it is minus 6, then bracket close. This is what left hand side and this is what right hand side. Now let us see the left hand side. Minus 21 into, in bracket minus 4 plus minus 6 bracket close. It can be written as minus 21 into, now in bracket minus 4 plus minus is what, minus, so it is minus 6 bracket close, minus 21 into minus 4 minus 6, what it is, minus 10, so in bracket it is minus 10. Now 21 into 10, 21 into 10 is 210 and minus minus is what, plus, so it is plus 210. Got it? This is the value of LHS, left hand side. Now let us see this right hand side. Look it is minus 21 into minus 4 plus it is minus 21 into minus 6. See this one, 21 into 4, it is what, 84 and minus minus is what, plus, so it is plus 84 and this is plus. Now 21 into 6, so first multiply this, it is 126 and minus minus is what, plus, so it is plus 126. Now plus plus is plus, so it is plus 126 and it is plus 84. 84 plus 126, what it is, 210 and plus plus is plus. See, left hand side is what, plus 210 and right hand side is what, plus 210. Are they equal? Yes, they are equal. Therefore you will write, therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence verified. In this way you have to verify. Actually it is what, it is distributive property, proof of distributive property. Got it? Just note down. Now let us see the third part. Question number 3. First part. For any integer a, what is minus 1 into a? See, minus 1 into a. A into 1 is what? A into 1 is a and minus plus is what? Minus. So minus 1 into a is what? Minus a. Got it? This is your first part. Now let us see the second part. Second part is determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is minus 22. What is the meaning? Minus 1 into what is equal to minus 22. You have to fill this blank. Now minus 1 into what is minus 22? First you have to see the number. This is what, 22 and this is what, 1. 1 को किससे multiply करें कि you will get 22. So it is 22. Number is 22. Now it is what, minus, this is what, minus. Now minus into what is equal to minus, so minus into plus, so already it is positive, so the value is plus 22. So in this way you have to do A part, so plus 22 is the answer. Got it? Now let us see the B part. B is 37. Again you have to write in the same way. Minus 1 into what is equal to 37. How you will get 37? So 1 into 37 is 37, but it is what? Positive value. So minus into minus is what? Plus. So the number will be minus 37. So this is the answer for B part, minus 37. Understood? See the C part. The C part is what? 0. Now minus 1 into what is equal to 0? बताइए, 1 into what equal to 0? Definitely it is what? 0. 1 into 0 is 0, and 0 is always neutral. Neither it is negative nor it is positive. Understood? It is always neutral. Got it? So this is your question number 3, right? Now let us see question number 4. Starting from minus 1 into 5, write various products showing some pattern to show minus 1 into minus 1 equal to 1. So this is a question he want to ask you. You have to write some patterns similarly, like it is given minus 1 into 5. Similarly you have to write minus 1 into 4. What it is? It is minus 4. Then write minus 1 into 3. What it is? Minus 3. Or you can write minus 1 into minus 3. What it is? Plus 3. So you have to write some pattern like this. Got it? So you have to write 4 or 5 pattern like this, right? This is your question number 4. Now let us see question number 5. See the first question. Just note down A part. Find the product using suitable property. 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. Right? Note down it. See, this is the first part. Just have a look. It is multiply and this is also multiply in the product form, and it is what? Positive, plus. It may be plus or minus, whatever it is. Just see the product pair. Now in these two pair, what is common? Minus 48 and minus 48. It is common. So take minus 48 as a common factor. Now the remaining value is 26. Then it is what? Plus, and it is the remaining value is minus 36. Plus minus is what? Minus. So minus 36. Bracket close. Right? Now minus 48 into 26 minus 36 is what? Minus 10. So in bracket note down minus 10. 48 into 10, first multiply it. It is what? 480. 480, and minus minus is what? Plus. So plus 480. This is your first part. So this is, just see the pair of products, then take the common factor, whatever it is, then do it, solve it. Got it? Now let us see the next. Second part, B, question number 5, B part. It is 8 into 53 into minus 125. So let us note down this. It is 8 into 53 multiply. This is totally multiplication. So let us have a look. It is 8, it is 53, it is 125. If you will multiply 8 by 125, what you will get? You will get 1000. 1000 मिलेगा ना? So multiply these two value first. So 8 into minus 125 into 53. 8 into 125 is 1000 and it is minus, so minus 1000 multiply 53. Now the product of these two is what? You can put bracket here. The product of these two is 5 3 000 and minus plus is minus. So this is the answer. So in this way you have to apply your mind, you have to see what is given and then solve it. See the next part. 15 multiply minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. See, this is the question. 15 multiply minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. See, this is 25, this is 4 and this is 10. If you multiply 25 by 4, it is what? 100. 25 into 4 is 100 and 100 into 10 is what? 1000. So 15 multiply, the product of these three is what? 1000. Now check the sign. Minus minus is what? Plus. Plus minus is minus. So it is minus 1000. Got it? It is, the product is 15 and 000, 1000, 15,000. Minus plus is minus. So this is the answer. Got it? So you have to see the question very carefully. You have to see the values and then do it. Now I am doing the H part. See, the H part is minus 57 into minus 19 plus 57. See the sign, it is plus 57. How we can do it? Let us see in the copy. See, this is in product form, but here it is only 57. If we can write this step as minus 57 multiply minus 19 plus is 57 को if we can write 57 into 1, is there any change? No, there is no change. But what we will see, देखो यहाँ ये पेयर बन गया, it is also a pair. अब पेयर बन गया, it is 57 into 1 is 57. कोई चेंज नहीं है, but it is in pair. पेयर बन गया. Now let us see what is common in these two. 57 is common, so let us take 57 common. So it can be written as 57. Take, it is a common factor. Then how you can write? See, it is minus 57 and this is plus 57. So let us take minus 57 as a common factor. Then in bracket it is minus 19. Then it is 1. Though it is 1, but let us check the sign. It is what? Minus. Now minus into what is plus? Minus. Minus minus is what? Plus. Right? So you have to put minus here. Now bracket close. Again check it. Minus 57 into minus 19. It is written here. Now minus 57 into minus 1. It is what? Plus 57. Ultimately it is plus 57. Right? So this is the step. Now it is minus 57 multiply. It is what? Minus 19 minus 1 is what? Minus minus is plus. So 19 plus 1 is 20. But sign minus लगेगा because 19 is more, so minus 20 in bracket. Now 57 को multiply करें 20 से, you will get the answer. And minus minus is what? Plus. ये plus आएगा. What is the value? 57 into 2, 114, and this is 0. So minus minus is plus. This is the answer. Got it? So in this way you can do this exercise. So students, do up to question number 5, then we will see the next question. Right? Now let us see the 6th question. A certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. what will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? What is the meaning? Let us understand the meaning of the question first. 40 degree temperature is the temperature of the room, right? रूम का टेम्परेचर है 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस और ये एवरी आवर 5 डिग्री सेल्सियस के हिसाब से कम किया जाना है. मीन्स 5 डिग्री सेल्सियस हर घंटे, एवरी आवर, हर घंटे क्या होगा, कम होगा. सो -5 होगा. और ये फॉर कितने आवर्स? इट इज़ 10 आवर्स. तो ये कितनी देर के लिए होगा? 10 आवर्स के लिए होगा. तो बताइए आफ्टर 10 आवर्स व्हाट विल बी द टेम्परेचर? 10 घंटे बाद कितना टेम्परेचर होगा? हाउ यू विल राइट? सी अगेन, 40 डिग्री पहले से है, 5 डिग्री टेम्परेचर पर आवर, इट इज़ डिक्रीजिंग, कम होता जा रहा है. और कितने आवर्स तक हुआ? 10 आवर्स तक हुआ. तो 40 प्लस करेंगे ये वैल्यू, राइट? दिस इज द अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू राइट 40 प्लस इन ब्रैकेट -5 into 10. -5 into 10 is what? It is 50. It is what? -50. And it is what? 40. So 40 and plus minus is minus. So 40 minus 50. You will get what? -10. So what will be the temperature after 10 hours? 10 घंटे बाद कितना टेम्परेचर होगा? -10 डिग्री सेल्सियस. कितना आंसर होगा? -10 डिग्री सेल्सियस. Got it? This is your question number 6. Now let us see the question number 7. In a class test containing 10 questions, एक क्लास टेस्ट हुआ in which 10 questions were there. 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer. यानी हर राइट आंसर के लिए it is what? 5 marks यानी +5. एंड -2 मार्क्स आर अवार्डेड फॉर एवरी इनकरेक्ट आंसर. यानी रॉन्ग आंसर के लिए क्या मिला? -2. +5 मार्क्स राइट आंसर के लिए, -2 मार्क्स रॉन्ग आंसर के लिए. एंड 0 फॉर क्वेश्चन नॉट अटेम्प्टेड. यानी किसी बच्चे ने क्वेश्चन नहीं अटेम्प्ट किया ही नहीं, देन 0 मार्क. गॉट इट? राइट है तो +5, रॉन्ग है तो -2, नहीं अटेम्प्ट किया तो 0. ठीक है. नाउ लेट अस रीड द क्वेश्चन. मोहन गेट्स, द फर्स्ट पार्ट इज मोहन गेट्स 4 करेक्ट. 4 करेक्ट का मतलब क्या हुआ? करेक्ट आंसर के लिए कितने मार्क्स मिल रहे हैं? 5. तो कितने हाउ मेनी ही हैज डन? 4. कितने किए? 4. नाउ 6 इनकरेक्ट के कितने मार्क्स मिल रहे हैं? -2. कितने किए? 6. तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6. व्हाट इज हिज स्कोर? उसका स्कोर कितना होगा? सो दिस इज द वैल्यू. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू राइट 4 into 5 plus 6 into -2. This will be the answer. 4 into 5 is what? 20. 4 into 5 is 20 and 6 into 2 is what? 12 and it is -12. So plus minus is -12. तो अल्टीमेटली मार्क्स कितने हुए? 20 - 12, इट इज़ व्हाट? 8. सो ही गॉट 8 मार्क्स. तो दिस इज योर फर्स्ट पार्ट. यू कैन डू इट. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ लेट अस सी द सेकेंड पार्ट. रेशमा get 5 correct answer. 5 correct answer. So 5 multiply by what? Correct means 5, यानी +5 मार्क मिल रहा है. तो 5 into 5. 5 करेक्ट आंसर्स एंड 5 इनकरेक्ट आंसर. 5 इनकरेक्ट हुए. इनकरेक्ट के लिए क्या है? -2. और कितने किए? 5 इनकरेक्ट किए. दोनों को ऐड कर लो. दिस इज अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन 5 into 5 plus 5 into -2. बताइए कितना हुआ? 5 into 5 is 25 and 5 into -2 it is what? -10. तो -10 कितना होगा? 25 - 10 is what? 15. तो बताइए what is her score? रेशमा got 15 मार्क. कितने आए उसके? 15. Got it? See the next. Hina gets 2 करेक्ट, 2 करेक्ट यानी 2 into 5, right? And 5 incorrect, 5 incorrect, 5 into -2, 5 incorrect. आंसर आउट ऑफ 7 क्वेश्चंस, 7 क्वेश्चंस में से 2 करेक्ट हैं, 5 इनकरेक्ट हैं. व्हाट इज हर स्कोर? तो बताओ कितना स्कोर हुआ. सो दिस इज अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, यू हैव टू राइट अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन इट इज 2 into 5 plus 5 into -2. तो 2 into 5 is what? 10 and 5 into -2 is what? -10. It is -10. तो नंबर कितने आए? 0. Got it? हिना got 0. 0 मार्क्स आए इसके. आगे समझ में? सही है. नाउ लेट अस सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. The question is, a cement company earn a profit of rupees 8 per bag for white cement. क्या मीनिंग हुआ? White cement earn a profit of rupees 8 per bag of white cement. White cement पे प्रॉफिट हो रहा है कितना? रुपीज़ 8 यानी कि +8 किस पर? For white cement. Got it? And a loss of 5 rupees per bag of grey cement. ग्रे सीमेंट के ऊपर लॉस. तो दो चीज़, वाइट सीमेंट प्रॉफिट, ग्रे सीमेंट लॉस, एंड लॉस इज व्हाट? -5. अंडरस्टूड? सो दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन कि इफ वाइट सीमेंट बोले तो समझ जाना +8, ग्रे सीमेंट बोले तो इट मीन्स -5. राइट. नाउ लेट अस सी ए पार्ट. ए पार्ट को देखिए. द कंपनी सेल्स 3000 बैग ऑफ वाइट सीमेंट. जस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. 3000 बैग ऑफ वाइट सीमेंट मीन्स 3000 मल्टीप्लाई +8, राइट. एंड 5000 बैग ऑफ ग्रे सीमेंट यानी कि 5000 मल्टीप्लाई बाई क्या होगा? -5, राइट. व्हाट इज इट्स प्रॉफिट और लॉस? तो प्रॉफिट और लॉस जो है दिस इज द वैल्यू, राइट. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू राइट 3000 मल्टीप्लाई +8 प्लस 5000 मल्टीप्लाई -5 और इसको सॉल्व कर लेंगे. यू विल गेट द आंसर. पॉजिटिव है देन इट इज प्रॉफिट, नेगेटिव है then it is loss. Understood? This is your first part. Similarly, second part you have to do. What is the number of white cement bag it must sell to have neither profit nor loss? क्या कह रहा है ये? What is the number of white cement bag? White cement bag कितने सेल करे? इट मस्ट सेल टू हैव नाइदर प्रॉफिट, ना तो उसको प्रॉफिट हो ना उसको लॉस हो. इफ़ द नंबर ऑफ ग्रे बैग सोल्ड इज 6400 बैग. यदि उसने ग्रे बैग ऑलरेडी ही हैज सोल्ड, कितने बेच दिए? 6400 बैग. लेट अस सी दिस क्वेश्चन इन कॉपी. See, according to question, white cement bag and grey cement bag, he want no loss no profit. यानी no loss no profit means 0 profit और 0 loss, यही मीनिंग है. now grey bag already he has sold 6400 बैग यानी 6400 बैग तो ऑलरेडी बेच चुका है एंड उसमें लॉस इज -5 पर बैग. यही मीनिंग हुआ. दिस इज द लॉस ऑन ग्रे बैग. वाइट बैग पे फॉर 1 बैग व्हाट इज द प्रॉफिट? +8 रुपीज़. दिस इज द प्रॉफिट ऑन वाइट बैग. अभी कितने, हाउ मेनी बैग्स ही वांट टू आस्क यू हाउ मेनी बैग ऑफ वाइट सीमेंट ही शुड सोल्ड सो दैट देयर शुड बी नो लॉस नो प्रॉफिट. तो हम सपोज करते हैं एक्स नंबर ऑफ बैग्स उसने वाइट सीमेंट के सेल किए सो दैट देयर इज नो लॉस नो प्रॉफिट. तो दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. Now let us see how we can find this unknown value, this white cement bag कितने बेचे हम कैसे find करें. So see the question. This is 8 into x is 8x, right? It is plus 6400 into 5. Multiply this, you will get 32000, right? 32, and this is 320 and 00, so 32,000. Minus plus is minus, equal to 0. So when you will solve it, you will get 8x. This is minus 32,000. Transfer this value and right side you will get equal to 32,000. साइन चेंज होगा, ये माइनस है उधर जाएगा तो ये क्या बन जाएगा प्लस, एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x, द अननोन वैल्यू इक्वल टू 8 इंटू है यहाँ पे, सो इट विल बी हियर डिवाइड में आएगा, तो 32,000 डिवाइडेड बाई 8 से इसको डिवाइड करेंगे. सो नंबर ऑफ वाइट सीमेंट बैग विल बी, 8 से इसको डिवाइड करो कितना आएगा, 8 बन जाए 8 4 जा 32, कैंसिल कर दीजिए, दिस इज 30, सो इट इज़ व्हाट 4000. सो नंबर ऑफ वाइट सीमेंट बैग कितने उसको सेल करने चाहिए 4000. सो 4000 नंबर ऑफ बैग ही शुड सेल टू गेट नो लॉस नो प्रॉफिट. 4000 बैग वो बेचे वाइट सीमेंट बैग के, सो दैट ना लॉस हो ना प्रॉफिट हो. अंडरस्टूड? In this way you have to solve it. Got it? Note down. Now question number 9. This is simply fill in the blank. Replace the blank with an integer to make it a true statement. Minus 3 into what? Simply you have to fill these values. I am leaving this question for you so that you can practice. Understood? Do it. Note down this exercise, note down all the question one by one and solve in your copy. Right? Thank you.